What's up guys, welcome back to the vlogs. Hope you're all having a good day, and if you're new here make sure you like and subscribe. Today we are putting on the Fenix Intercooler. Look at this. So I haven't even opened this up to have a look and see what's inside. Ooh, look at the pipes. Some hoses, some clamps. Whatever that is, banner, bracket, some more clamps and stuff, piping things full of clamps. Oh, well that's not good. Whatever this pipe's for, it's got a cut in it. And that is the main item. I mean, I did start this vlog off with my intercooler, but now we're doing tie rods.
This escalated poorly.
Now time to do this side. Well, what we want to do, now that's got a nut back on it, we can then break that off. Are we mechanics though?
No, my car passed walk, so technically yes. I am a mechanic.
Mine passed cert, 370.
Yeah, but that was like a fucking brand new car.
Well, you know, I put some coilovers in it.
Yeah, and?
Yeah. Front say.
Yeah.
Like that is, fuck that is. But this one's been replaced.
Yeah.
You can see it's a much stronger one too. It's thicker. Much thicker, yeah.
Focus on the background.
So, one tie rod in with boot. Just need to put the tidy ties on and tie rod. This is old one. It does job. You go on. Till I hear the bass drop. New one's in. Look at that. Woo! We can't see shit because the camera sucks. So now we're gonna try and put the tension rod brackets on. So there, bolts, other bolts, autofocus not doing its job. But yeah, we'll chuck those in. About an intercooler. We are doing tension rod brackets, and we're taking off the tension arms now to then put the brackets on, and then align the tension rods up to the brackets. I think that may or may not be more logical to do things, but I don't have all the bolts. So, this will be fun. So it turns out we need a lot more bolts than I actually ordered. These are the right size but the wrong length. That's the right bolt for these ones. So it's 219s, 217s. I don't know if this one is going to work or not. So I was going to pull this one out, measure it, and see if it's the same length as this one, and go from there. But yeah.
Rough.
Sappers. Alright. Arms are in, brackets are on, sort of. I need more bolts, but I have one gold bolt in there, and the OEM silver one in there that holds that one. And then I'll do the same on that side, and then find two 19s. Sweet. Good job, thank you. Intercooler time. That's what this video is meant to be about, an intercooler. But we did tie rods and brackets.
I love wasting time.
Wasting time. Should we do the pulleys next?
We're doing everything weird, might as well.
Yeah, fuck the intercooler. Pulleys! Woo!
Red! Who doesn't like red stuff?
Yeah, red stuff. Alright, we've got one pulley boy on. I should probably paint that bolt, that's disgusting. Get a new one.
Rust converter.
Rust converter. Yeah. The time we've all been waiting for. The actual reason I started this vlog. The fucking intercooler. Woo! Alright, Let's probably help you, eh? That would be a good idea.
Maybe not.
You know what? I'm gonna watch you slave away. Yeah, slave away. Woo!
Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts, I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong, I won't stop to the top, so you better back off and get lost. I'ma stay loud, stay proud, never running out, never heading south. I'll be spreading out, call it word of mouth, can't put me down, I'll be getting loud. You can have it douse, not what I'm about, have your cloud, it be raining out, I keep making sound, go another round, I'm legend bound, can't stop me now.
So we just threaded these two holes because they weren't quite lining up. And now we'll try and line these up. And then 20mm washer onto the side, and that should hold the intercooler in. That should be pretty much it. So let's get cracking! Woo! Well, that is easy. I do find...
Well, I mean, like, unless you bend the brackets, because I mean, they're pretty soft, so...
Well, I'd assume it's just aluminium, so...
Well, I mean, yeah. Worst case scenario, you snap them, so...
Yeah, snap the brackets, woo!
Go re-roll the aluminium, yeah.
It's interesting. You're like, oh no. The boss!
Oh, don't get me started. It's not!
It's not! Woo! Not the boss! Alright, so we can continue working. I reckon...
Slaving away, yes.
Slaving away. I reckon we do the hot side first. Because we shouldn't need to cut anything. But the cold side will need to drill a bit more in order to reach there.
Good heavens.
At least I knew that I need a S15 hot side and S13 cold side. So I just asked them and they're like, yep, we can send you out that. That's what you call quality service when they'll send out what you ask for.
They knew what? They knew.
They knew.
So many S14 boys. Hey,
Yeah.
I'm doing this. Don't worry about it.
Yeah, I just asked the guys, like, S15 hot side, S13 cold side, because I got the 228 turbo, so I need a hot side for S15, cold side S13, because S13 motor, and the guy's like, yes, sweet, I'll just switch the box around. Man, good shit, Fenix. Mr. Ash, who served me. So far, one pipe. Too bad we can't test it with a bumper either. It's a bit snug. Might need a buzz, but we'll see.
Yes, sir.
You're blurry.
Thank you.
Oh, fuck.
Hidden
Look at
identity.
that.
Hidden identity.
So I've had to switch cameras, which I look enormous on this thing, and nice and ready. So Mr. Saffer is
What?
undoing all the bolts, clamps, whatever the fuck these are. And
Stripping this one.
not stripping this one.
Not stripping this one.
Not stripping
Let's not
it.
talk about that one. Next one.
Did you strip it?
I'm not talking.
No?
Ik kan niet Engels praten.
Oh yeah, I knew what that meant. You cocked it, didn't you?
They're not the same.
It's not focusing. Nope, yeah, not the same.
Doesn't matter.
Doesn't matter, they're not the same,
same.
guys. They're not the same. Alright, let's do the rest of the hoses.
Alright. I think that works. Bet.
So, for anybody that doesn't know,
I don't know.
this guy here doesn't know.
I don't know.
You need to get the pipe up here, which means we need to cut a bit more here because this isn't done right for this motor to go into the intake. But the hot side is lining up decently well. We just need to buzz a little bit around here. We'll take this plate off just to give it a mil or two more room. But yeah, that's lining up to the T28 decently well, so I can adjust that. Safa's like, I'm over it.
I want food.
I want food. So we're gonna have to do a big cut, won't we?
Yeah, it's gonna be big.
Yeah.
Try not to get too close to the... Yeah, that's whatever on that.
Yeah.
Let's just do that for now.
Okay. Okay, now?
Oh, Kobe.
Just look through the lens, make sure it's in the same place.
Now the fun part.
Scratching that powder coat. Cool. Alright guys, so it's currently the next morning. Stoked with the progress that we made on the car. We got so much done with the tyre rods and tension brackets and rods and intercooler and heaps done this weekend, which is fucking awesome. Look at this stuff. Woo! Chucked in the radiator, which I probably will replace, but not just yet. But look at that. Intercooler piping. It's all in, pretty snug. Still needs little minor adjustments around here, and then I'll get a plate made up to cover the holes because they obviously look like shit. Yeah, steering rack's back in from putting the gearbox in. Tyre rods, which won't show up too well on camera, are in with the tension rods and brackets as well. This side will probably show up better. Yeah, there you go. It still needs all like the bolts and stuff. There's just like one bolt holding it in there, like one there, and then these ones need to be put in. But yeah, like looks good, so much better, and I'm so stoked with the progress. Woo! If you like what you've seen, make sure you like and subscribe. There's so much more to do with this S14, so should be plenty of content for that. I'll catch you on the next one.